Do you believe that the Chinese Communist Party misled the world about the coronavirus?
I do. What we do know already with regard to China and the virus is that they did not provide transparency, they did not share information, they did not give access when it mattered most in the early days of this virus. My sense, Senator, going forward is that what we should be focusing on, I know people talk about the punitive, I would be very focused on the preventative.
Clearly, the Chinese, at least heretofore, had not offered the requisite transparency that we need, and that just as importantly, again, the international community needs, so that we can prevent these sorts of pandemics from ever happening again.
We need a credible, open, transparent international investigation led by the World Health Organization. And they're about to come out with a report about the origins of the pandemic in Wuhan, China, that we have questions about because we do not believe that China has made available sufficient original data into how this pandemic began to spread, both in China and then eventually around the world. And we believe that both the WHO and China should step up on this matter. There has not been sufficient transparency coming from the government of China, and the WHO still has more work to do to get to the bottom of exactly where this virus emerged.
What I would like to do is first see the report, and if in fact, obviously, there was a lot of restrictions on the ability of the people who went there to really take a look, then I'm going to have some considerable concern about that. But let me take a look at the report first.
I think what we need to be focused on is making sure we're protecting ourselves and protecting the world going forward, and that's going to require a lot of reform, and it's going to require China to do things that it hasn't done in the past. We do need to have both accountability for the past, but I think our focus needs to be on building a stronger system for the future.